Here's the story of how success poured on Indofood syrup Freiss, an Indonesian brand from the Indofood CBP group that prides itself on making syrups with fresh fruits, real sugar, and the goodness of honey. We know how Indonesians love to break their Ramadan fast with something sweet. Syrups are widely used during this time, and purchase intent is high. During Ramadan 2023, Freiss was ready to launch brand new packaging with the industry-first auto-lock technology, which solves a problem known to every Indonesian: spillage after the first use. However, although Freiss had risen in popularity over the years, it faced tough competition from the market leader. Therefore, the brand had to make this launch impactful and get new customers. That's what it did. Freiss caught thousands of Indonesians' attention with IDAC, Glance, and InMobi. With Glance, the brand partnered with a food influencer from Masak TV via a branded live cooking stream that reached Indonesians right before fast breaking, where they prepared appetizing festive recipes using Freiss. The stream showcased the 3 USPs of the packaging: easy to pour, closes immediately, spill-proof. The brand retargeted these viewers with striking banners and 15-second videos, leading to a sampling campaign powered by Grivi, inviting them to avail a festive offer. Deal-loving Indonesians got their hands on an incredible 40% discount, leading to a significant spike in interest and coupon claims. These efforts surely bore fruit. Indofood syrup Freiss reached 703,000 Indonesians on Glance and achieved 102% of the target coupon redemptions via Grivi. What's more, Grivi's post-campaign study found that 45% of participants were first-time purchasers of Freiss. Most coupon redemptions happened the same day or the next, indicating heightened eagerness and interest. Here's what our Freiss friends had to say. This Freiss campaign was sure a fresh take on digital sampling.